Welcome to another Paris Prime Estates, and this is another beautiful home. This one's in Lithonia, Georgia, and we'll be taking a trip. Listing information and listing agent and all that stuff will be down in the description below. All right, immediately to your left, Lord, it is pitch black in here. All right, so what we have here. We have a bedroom. Leads out to a balcony. We'll go out to the balcony last. Closet. That's a closet space. More closet space. Huge living area. Balcony up top. Got the eating kitchen area. Small pantry right here. Basement, we'll do that last, but I'll turn on the light and walk down that later. Closet space. Big garage. Nice lookout window. Laundry room upstairs. I believe they're using this area for extra closet space. We'll go right. Closets. Okay. The whole bedroom is pink. Oh, there's the other lights. Hold on. All right. This is hot pink too. Thank God the bathroom isn't pink. Leave your comments. Oh, you have a beautiful view back here. And we'll look at the other bathrooms. These are the closets. All right. So here's another bedroom and lights. And come on, work with me. There's no lights on. All right. So, for the bathroom. Closet. And you come back to the hall. This is nice to look over, check out. And this is your master. Little sitting area. Oh wow, that view is amazing. Shower over here. Most important, you have your closet. Got to bring a flashlight now. Ah, theater room. We have a gym and we have lights. Actually, this could be a bedroom too. There's a closet. Extra space. have an extra bathroom down here. Closet. Two hot water tanks, two furnaces. Remember guys, if you want to see these properties or if you're interested in purchasing these properties, you can go ahead and reach out to me. All of my contact info will be in the description below. Where is the light for the bar? Okay. Wait, I think it's behind the bar. There we go. Step outside, check out the backyard. Hey, did we go to the dining room? Formal dining room. It's locked. Hold on. So you have a big back porch where you can entertain. Leave your comments down below. Tell me what you would do with this porch. Tell me what you would do with this big backyard. It's kind of sloped. That's nothing. All that space could be yours. All right, guys, I'm gonna get out of here. It is nighttime, and I'm gonna head home. It's about 5:10, so it's time for me to start heading out. Go ahead, leave your comments below. Oh, you have a balcony on the master up there, if you guys can see that. Yeah, so go ahead and leave me comments about the home below. Tell me what you would do with this home, what you would do with this backyard, this space. Listing agent will be listed below. Nice to talk to you guys soon.